This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 29. If you have not subscribed this channel until now, so it is request to subscribe this channel because there is a lot of hard work behind these videos. It takes a lot of time and energy to produce such kind of videos. So your subscription is really will encourage me to work more on such kind of videos, and it will be more beneficial to those who have not reached such videos until now. So if there is anyone who is preparing for exam in your friend circle or social circle, so please keep your heart big and share this video series with them as well, so they can also take benefit from these videos. So let's start. In this video, we will discuss 35 MCQs on students and women's role in freedom movement. First MCQ is, which Muslim scholar guided Quaid-e-Azam against attacks from other ulama? Options are Maulana Ashraf Thanvi, Sayyid Jamaat Ali Shah, Allama Shabir Ahmad Usmani, Pir Makki Sharif. So the correct answer here is Allama Shabir Ahmad Usmani. Who declared that Muslim who will vote for the opponent of the Muslim League would ruin the future of entire millet and would be answerable before the Almighty Allah on the Day of Judgment? Options are Sayyid Jamaat Ali Shah, Allama Shabir Ahmad Usmani, Pir Makki Sharif, Maulana Hamid Badayani. So the correct answer here is Allama Shabir Ahmad Usmani. Maulana Ashraf Thanvi was eminent scholar of school. Options are Nadwa, Asamgarh, Deoband, Aligarh. So the correct answer here is Deoband. Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi was eminent scholar of school of thought Deoband. Which Sufi launched an extensive campaign in favor of Muslim League candidates during the election of 1946? Options are Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi, Allama Shabir Ahmad Usmani, Pir Jamaat Ali Shah, Pir Makki Sharif. So the correct answer here is Pir Jamaat Ali Shah. Pir Sahib Manki Sharif joined the Muslim League in 1945 to, options are to counter Gandhi, to counter Nehru's anti-Muslim and anti-Pakistan activities, to counter Azad's anti-Pakistan activities, to counter Khan Abdul Ghafar's anti-Muslim activities. So the Pir Sahib Manki Sharif joined the Muslim League in 1945 to counter Khan Abdul Ghafar's anti-Muslim activities. So fourth is the correct answer here. Which Sufi played Nehru Report and undertook extensive tour to mobilize public opinion against the Nehru Report? Options are Pir Sahib Makki Sharif, Pir Ghulam Mujaddid Sarhindi, Maulana Hamid Badayami, Pir Jamaat Ali Shah. So the correct answer here is Pir Ghulam Mujaddid Sarhindi. Who participated in the annual meeting of Muslim League at Lahore in 1940 as the representative of the Mashayikh? Options are Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi, Maulana Abdul Hamid Badayami, Maulana Shabir Ahmad Usmani, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. So the correct answer is Maulana Abdul Hamid Badayami. Which Sufi played important role in organizing freedom movement in Sindh? Options are Pir Mujaddid Sarhindi, Mujaddid Alif Sani, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Maulana Shabir Ahmad Usmani. So the Sufi which played an important role in the freedom movement in Sindh was Maulana Shabir Ahmad Usmani. Which Sufi took active part in the Khilafat movement and countered arrest along with the Ali brothers? Options are Mujaddid Alif Sani, Hazrat Ghulam Mujaddid, Sheikh Majid Sarhindi, A and B. So the correct answer here is Hazrat Ghulam Mujaddid. Second is the right answer here. Who was first martyr of Pakistan movement? Options are Ahad Malik, Wahidul Malik, Abdul Malik, and the fourth option is Nizam Malik. So the first martyr of Pakistan movement was Abdul Malik. Third is the right answer here. Abdul Malik was a student of college. Options are Aligarh College, Islamia College Lahore, Islamia College Peshawar, Anjuman Himayat-e-Islam College. So second is the right answer, which is Islamia College Lahore. Abdul Malik was a student of Islamia College Lahore College. For independence of Pakistan, which Muslim institution played role? Options are Islamia College Lahore, Islamia College Peshawar, Aligarh College, all of these. So the correct answer here is all of these. All of these institutions played the role in independence of Pakistan. In 1943, Muslim Students Federation was set up in which province? Options are Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh, Balochistan. So the Muslim Student Federation was set up in Balochistan. Who was Fazl Ahmad Ghazi? Options are first martyr of Pakistan movement, first president of Balochistan Muslim Student Federation, first student who met with Qaid, first supporter of Muslim League. So Fazl Ahmad Ghazi was first student of Balochistan Muslim Student Federation. Mr. Jinnah gave the title of Ammunition of Muslim League to. Options are Aligarh University, Islamia College Lahore, Islamia College Peshawar, GC Lahore. So the correct answer here is Aligarh University. Ammunition of Muslim League title was given to Aligarh University by Quaid-e-Azam. When a branch of Muslim League was set up in Aligarh University? Options are 1943, 1935, 1936, 1937. So the correct answer is 1937. Dr. Mukhtar Ansari organized a medical mission to help Turks in 1912. How many students of Aligarh joined it? Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. So the right answer here is 4 students of Aligarh joined it. Second is the right option here. Who was the first president of Muslim Students Federation? Options are Abdul Malik, Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman, Abdur Rahman, Raja Sahib Mahmud Abad. So the first president of Muslim Student Federation was Raja Sahib Mahmud Abad. Which woman participated in all 3 round table conferences? Options are Amjad Begum, Begum Shahnawaz, Fatima Jinnah, Bano Begum. So the correct answer is Begum Shahnawaz. Second is the right answer here. Which women's services are known in Muslim of civil disobedience? Options are Begum Rana Liaquat Ali, Begum Shahnawaz, Begum Salma Tasadduq. B and C. So the correct answer here is B and C. B and C options include Begum Shahnawaz and Begum Salma Tasadduq. So fourth is the correct answer here. Who was Fatma Sugra? Options are who participated in all 3 round table conferences, who put flag on Lahore Secretariat, who was first martyr woman in Pakistan movement, who put flag on Lal Qila. So Fatma Sugra was a person who put flag on Lahore Secretariat. Second is the correct answer here. Which woman was the leader of the Lady Workers of India? Options are Rana Liaquat Ali, Salma Tasadduq, Fatma Sugra, Fatima Jinnah. So fourth is the correct answer here. Who established Muslim Students Federation Women Wing? Options are Begum Amjadi, Begum Shaista Ikramullah, Begum Salma Tasadduq, Fatima Jinnah. So the correct answer here is Begum Shaista Ikramullah. Second is the right answer here. In the first Legislative Assembly of Punjab, how many women were elected for women's seats? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. So first option is the right answer, which is 2 women's. Two women were elected for women's seats in Legislative Assembly of Punjab. In the first Legislative Assembly of Punjab, which women were elected on women's seats? Options are Begum Jahan Ara, Begum Shaista Ikramullah, Begum Salma Tasadduq, A and B. So the correct answer here is A and B. 2 ladies were selected, who are Begum Jahan Ara and Begum Shaista Ikramullah. So fourth is the correct answer, which is A and B. In year the Indian women were given the right to vote. Options are 1928, 1929, 1932, 1933. So the correct answer here is 1929. In 1929, Indian women were given the right to vote. It is important MCQ. Which woman participated in delegation that was first sent to UNO after the establishment of Pakistan? Options are Fatma Jinnah, Fatma Sugra, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali, Begum Salma Tasadduq. So the woman who participated in delegation was Begum Salma Tasadduq, who was first sent to UNO. Who was the first woman member of All India Muslim League Working Committee? Options are Begum Shaista Ikram, Amjadi Begum, Begum Amana Khan, Begum Shah Nawaz. So the correct answer is Amjadi Begum. How many women were organizers of the public meetings of Qaid? Options are 2, 4, 6, 8. So first option is correct, which is 2. 2 women were organizers of the public meetings of Qaid. Which Muslim woman represented the Indian Muslim women in the resolution of Pakistan on 23rd March 1940? Options are Begum Shah Nawaz, Begum Ikramullah, Begum Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Begum Salma Tasadduq. So the third is the right answer, which is Begum Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. In the annual meeting of Muslim League in 1938, which lady participated from Sindh? Options are Begum Shah Nawaz, Begum Salma Tasadduq, Begum Nusrat Haroon, Begum Wajida. So in the annual meeting of Muslim League in 1938, the lady which participated from Sindh was Begum Nusrat Haroon. In the annual meeting of Muslim League in 1938, Fatma Jinnah participated from. Options are Lucknow, Bombay, Lahore, Karachi. So Bombay is the correct answer here. In the annual meeting of Muslim League in 1938, which lady participated from Punjab? Options are Fatma Sugra, Jamil Begum, Begum Waqarun Nisa, Begum Shaista Ikram. So third is the correct answer, which is Begum Waqarun Nisa. In the annual general meeting of Muslim League in 1938, which women organization was set up? Options are Central Committee, Main Committee, Muslim Committee, Subcommittee for Women. So fourth is the correct answer, which is Subcommittee for Women. Who were elected members of the first Women's Subcommittee? Options are Begum Jahan Ara, Rashida Latif, Lady Abdul Qadir, all of above. So fourth is the correct answer, which is all of above. All of these ladies were elected members of the first Women's Subcommittee. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions so you can know that how many of these MCQs you have memorized. And in the end, I would say again that if you have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe this channel, because there's a lot of hard work to create such kind of videos. So your subscription is really encouragement for me. Thank you so much. See you in next video.